Hey, Rainbow here, and welcome to my channel. A little update on my health. I'm gonna have another update probably tomorrow, me personally, with some other stuff. But anyway, yeah, I didn't just blow one disc, I blew two discs. So I already had pretty much bulging and a partial herniation on L5-S1. Also found out that I herniated L4, L5. So there's two herniated discs. I have been going to physical therapy. I've been seeing actually a Rolfer, R-O-L-F-E-R, if anyone's familiar with them. Pretty intense, but a lot of progress with everything from my neck all the way down to my feet. So it's been rather interesting and a learning experience. I am on track for riding out to Circuit of the Americas. So I am on track for doing it. Hopefully it'll be on the motorcycle. Like I said, everything's in place for that. I'm going to give myself an extra day to go out and an extra day to come back so that I'm not pulling off like I did last year. I did like a 760 some mile day just on my way back because I just didn't want to stop, and then it just got really dark, and I'm not a fan of riding the motorcycle in the dark on the highway. Too much wildlife out there, and you just may not be able to see something in the road that's just laying there that fell out of the back of a truck or something. So anyway, just want to give you like a little bit of an update. Now, if you are going to Circuit of the Americas, I will be spending most of my time at Ducati Island. I do walk around a lot. I don't know how much I'll be walking this time. I am mobile. I'm able to ride the motorcycle. I did a test ride up to Daytona, so that's a little over 3 hour trip up, a little over 3 hours back for me. So I did a solid 6 hours of seat time to test it out. I was a little sore, but I was able to handle it okay. I hope the weather is good. I hope for the trip across, I hope the weather is good in Circuit of the Americas. Again, for those that are going to Circuit of the Americas, I'm going to be there. I have a special guest going to be with me and spending some time there. And anyway, you'll see. But the bottom line is I'm heading out to Circuit of the Americas, I hope, on a motorcycle, unless something happens. I'm going to be getting the bike prep. Now, speaking of the bike prep, that's what I want to talk about. I have very good tread on the front and rear Michelin Road 6 for my Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. It's the same tire that I rode to and from the same tires that I rode to and from Circuit of the Americas last year. Now, I'm not going to use the same tires, even though I have plenty of tread on them, because the rear tire is starting to flat spot because I'm in Florida and kind of the riding sucks here. Although you can ride 12 months out, no problem. You can ride all the time here, all year round. It kind of sucks, which is why we end up doing a lot of track days and stuff like that, just to kind of break things up. But I am getting brand new Michelin Road 6s put on the bike for the trip out there. I want to do the trip in fresh rubber. Last year, the first 200 miles, just trying to get out of Florida, but just getting out of South Florida, the first 200 miles was nothing but torrential downpours. And with the brand new Michelin Road 6s, it handled it fantastic. So I want that same experience. I want a match set of new tires on there. So I'm going to have those that I'm taking off is kind of like a backup set, because there's really nothing wrong with them other than the flat spot is starting on the rear tire. But anyway, we'll see. So if you're heading out there, please comment below. Let me know that you're going to be out there at COTA, at Circuit of the Americas. They're in Austin, Texas for the MotoGP race. If anyone didn't know, they're also going to do the baggers. So Moto America King of the Baggers race will be happening that same weekend as MotoGP. Now, this is not a full-fledged Moto America MotoGP weekend like we had, I think, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, which was awesome, but there was a lot of racing. It's just going to be MotoGP with King of the Baggers. Really looking forward to that, and looking forward to the rest of my Ducati friends and everyone else who's going to be out there. So anyway, just a little update on my back. I'm rehabbing. I'm getting stronger. I'm actually losing a little bit of weight because I'm exercising a little bit more, trying to find ways to strengthen my back. Learned a whole bunch of stuff from this Rolfer, R-O-L-F-E-R. Highly recommended. Anyway, This is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.